Hello there. In this video, we will walk you through what you can expect from one of our best-selling wireless headsets, the Jabra Evolve 65. Take a look at the box. You can refer to the quick start guide to discover more features of the headset. You will find the volume control here. Press here to increase audio volume, press here to reduce it. You can answer calls with the multi-function button located here. At the fringe of the ear cup, there is a button that can be used for power and Bluetooth, as well as a micro USB port for charging. If your headset battery is low, connect the headset to the laptop. You can use the headset while charging. Ensure that the headset is switched on. The headset has a battery life of up to 10 hours. The Jabra Evolve 65 connects easily to laptops, tablets and mobile phones. Connect the dongle to the laptop. It flashes blue upon insert. Power on your headset. The headset will automatically connect to the dongle. It has a range of 30 meters. For mobile phones, slide this button towards the Bluetooth logo and hold it there for 3 seconds. You will hear the voice-guided instructions. Let go of the button and follow them. The headset can be worn either on your left or right side. If you prefer to wear it on the right side, rotate the boom arm downwards. It is recommended that you flex the tip of the boom arm so that it captures more of your voice. The headrest should ideally be sitting on the third quarter position of your head. The busy light on the Evolve 65 helps you to concentrate. It turns red when you're on the phone, so it prevents you from being interrupted. Now, immerse yourself in the conversation and feel like you're sitting next to the person you're talking to. Let nothing get in your way, and certainly no wires.